Children, today we are going to revise lesson 3, A Rupee Goes a Long Way, written by Ruskin Bond. Ranji had a 1 rupee coin, so he made his way to the Jamna sweet shop, tossed the coin on the counter and asked for a rupee's worth of jalebis. The shopkeeper looked at the coin carefully. That coin's no good, he said. Are you sure? Ranji asked. These coins went out of use long ago, said the shopkeeper. It isn't old enough to be valuable and it isn't new enough to buy anything. Ranji shrugged, took the coin back and turned on to the road. So Ranji is the name of the boy who had a 1 rupee coin and he wanted to have jalebis. So he went to the Jamna sweet shop, asked the shopkeeper to give him jalebis, but the shopkeeper refused to give him jalebis, saying that those coins were no longer in use. Okay, soon Ranji was wandering through the bazaar when he heard a familiar voice behind him. Where are you going, Ranji? It was Mohinder Singh, Ranji's friend. In one hand, Mohinder held a homemade fishing rod. I'm not going anywhere, said Ranji. Where are you going? I'm not going, I've been, Mohinder said. I was fishing in the canal all morning. So soon he was wandering through the bazaar when he heard somebody calling him, and that person was Mohinder Singh, his friend, and he was holding a homemade fishing rod, and he said that he had been fishing. Ranji stared at the fishing rod. Will you lend it to me? He asked. You will only lose it or break it, Mohinder said. But I don't mind selling it to you. 2 rupees. Mohinder said that I will not give you like this, but yes, if you give me 2 rupees, I can give you the fishing rod. I've got 1 rupee, said Ranji, but it's an old one. The sweet seller would not take it. Please let me see it, said Mohinder. He took the coin and looked it over. I don't suppose it's worth much, but my uncle collects old coins. Give it to me and I'll give you the rod. So Ranji, being very honest, he said that I had 1 rupee only, and that also an old one, which the shopkeeper refused to take. Okay, so Mohinder said, okay, my uncle is fond of collecting old coins. I can give you this rod in exchange of that coin. All right, said Ranji, happy to make the exchange. So the first exchange was made. Mohinder gave his fishing rod to Ranji and Ranji gave his old coin to Mohinder. He took the fishing rod, waved goodbye to Mohinder and set off. After some time, a truck came along. Ranji knew the driver and waved and shouted to him until he stopped. Will you take me to the river? Ranji asked. I am going fishing. Climb up in the back, the driver said. Ranji climbed into the back of the open truck. Soon he was watching the road slide away from him. So Ranji saw a truck stop the driver. He asked the driver, shouted to him to stop. The driver stopped. He climbed up in the back, and soon he was near the riverbed. In a while, the truck stopped near the riverbed. Ranji got down, thanked the driver and began walking along the bank. It was the dry season and the river was just a shallow muddy stream. Ranji walked up and down without finding deep water enough for the smallest of fish. No wonder. Mohinder, let me have the rod, he muttered. But when he reached the riverbed, he found that the river was very dry. Because of the dry season, the river was just a shallow muddy stream and the river was not deep enough for fishing. So he felt very sad, and with a shrug he turned back. He returned from there as he could not fish. It was a long hot walk back to the bazaar. Ranji thought again of the jalebis that he had been able to buy. He had reached a few scattered houses when he saw a boy playing a flute. In the stillness of the hot afternoon, the flute made a cheerful sound. As he reached the bazaar, he saw a boy playing a flute and it was sounding very cheerful. Ranji stopped. The boy stopped playing. The boy had his eye on Ranji's fishing rod. Ranji had his eye on the flute. Been fishing? Asked the flute player. Yes, said Ranji. So both of them started looking at each other's thing. The boy was looking at Ranji's fishing rod and was looking at his flute.